Welcome to online classes of Shivaji Group of Institution. Student, myself Jitendra Pathi. Student, previous class we are going to explain some methods of preparation for the preparation of hydrogen gas and lab method. Now today we have start to industrial methods of preparation. Industrial method of preparation. Okay. Industrially, it means on large scale. Commercial preparation. This is also called commercial preparation of hydrogen gas. So in laboratory, you have to prepare hydrogen gas in little amount, but if you require a large amount of hydrogen gas, then how will you prepare? In this industrial process, we have to start with the Bosch process. Bosch process. Here, a very important Bosch process. This method involves two steps. First one, preparation of water gas. First you have to prepare water gas. Water gas is a mixture of carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas. What is carbon monoxide plus hydrogen gas? This mixture is known as water gas. Here carbon monoxide is present as an impurity for the hydrogen. So in next step you must be remove the carbon monoxide from the water gas. Means removal of carbon monoxide gas from water gas. Okay. So only hydrogen gas remains. So this one is a method. Bosch process, here must be prepare hydrogen gas by the Bosch process. Here there are two steps. First you must be prepare the water gas, then remove carbon monoxide from the water gas. You must be prepare hydrogen gas. Okay. So step 1. Step 1. Start. How will you prepare water gas? When superheated steam, do you know meaning the superheated steam? Water heated up to 170 to 180 degree temperature. Then water vapor form is known as superheated steam. Okay. Passed over such superheated steam, passed over white hot coke or charcoal. This one is known as charcoal. White hot coke, red hot coke. This is an endothermic reaction. Reason behind it, red hot coke prepared by the supplying the lot of amount of heat to the charcoal. So this one is an endothermic reaction. Formation of mixture, equal volume of carbon monoxide and hydrogen gas, which is commonly called water gas. Okay. So reaction, carbon solid up to red hot, and steam. This is in the form of gas. Superheated steam in the form of steam. Okay. Such superheated steam passed over the red hot coke, so that mixture of carbon monoxide gas and hydrogen gas. Okay. This one is commonly called water gas. Okay. minus delta H. This symbol represents the endothermic reaction, means heat required for the reaction. So by this manner you have to prepare water gas. First in step water gas is formed. Now in second step, this is for removal of carbon monoxide from water gas. Now how will you remove the carbon monoxide? This is not a easy process. A lot of reaction takes place in this step. First of all, water gas is mixed with, first you mixed water gas with twice the volume of superheated steam. Means first of all, water gas is the H2 gas plus CO gas. This one is the water gas and mixed with superheated steam again. Okay, steam. This superheated steam over the Fe2O3 and Cr2O3. This one is two catalyst, Fe2O3 plus Cr2O3 at 450 degree to 500 degree temperature. This mixture passed over the catalyst like Fe2O3 and Cr2O3 at 450 to 500 degree centigrade temperature, so that hydrogen gas and carbon dioxide gas, CO2 gas, mixture of hydrogen gas and carbon dioxide gas formed. This is called water gas shift reaction. This is known as water gas shift reaction, means shifting of water gas. Okay, now the mixture of carbon dioxide and hydrogen gas is compressed. Now both the gas is compressed by applying the 30 atm pressure. Means hydrogen gas and carbon dioxide gas, 30 atmospheric pressure. You must be apply the 30 atmospheric pressure. So H2CO3 carbonic acid in aqueous form, CO2 gas dissolve in water to form carbonic acid, but hydrogen gas don't dissolve in water. Okay, so hydrogen gas evolved in the form of bubbles, thus you must be remaining carbon monoxide is also bubbled. Such carbon monoxide again react with cuprous chloride. Cuprous chloride is CuCl, carbon monoxide and again water. This reaction gives a mixture of CuCl-CO addition compound, CuCl dot carbon monoxide dot 2 Okay, the moisture is removed and water moisture removed by cooling the gas. How much? Up to minus 20 degree centigrade. So moisture is removed. By cooling the gas up to minus 20 degree centigrade. Okay, so this one is a post process industrial preparation for the hydrogen gas. One more process, industrial process, is also applied for the preparation of hydrogen gas. That's from natural gases. Natural gases mainly contain methane. Formula is CH4. Okay, so next one is the from natural gas. Natural gas mainly contain methane. which is react with steam like again water to form hydrogen gas over nickel catalyst at 800 degrees centigrade. Methane. This comes from natural gases. Natural gas react with steam. Again, gases form of water passed over nickel catalyst at 800 degrees centigrade temperature. This reaction form carbon monoxide again and hydrogen gas. Okay. Similarly, carbon monoxide removed as previously like Bosch process. So again carbon monoxide removed, you must be prepare hydrogen gas. Okay. So there are two industrial process. One is the Bosch process and another is the natural gas process. Okay. So this is all about this chapter hydrogen gas. Here two important things, that is oxidation and reduction. Definition again. You will discuss oxidation and reduction. Reaction. Okay. First one is the oxidation. Oxidation reaction. How will you define the oxidation reaction? The oxidation of a substance takes place by addition of oxygen or by removal of hydrogen. First one, by the addition of oxygen or by removal of hydrogen. These reaction, a substance add the oxygen or remove the hydrogen, reaction is known as oxidation reaction. Just here we take some example for this one. How will you decide the oxidation and reduction? And similarly for the reduction reaction. How will you define? First, by the addition of hydrogen, and second one is the by the removal of oxygen. Okay. This definition also discussed in previous chapter, I think in first chapter. So once more, oxidation, addition of oxygen or removal of hydrogen takes place is known as oxidation reaction, and if addition of hydrogen or removal of oxygen takes place is known as reduction reaction. Here we take one more example for you. CuO, that is copper oxide, react with hydrogen H2 to get Cu plus H2 Cl. 1. Copper oxide gives copper and hydrogen gives H2. Here copper oxide form copper by the removal of oxygen. The removal of oxygen is the reduction reaction. This one is the reduction reaction. Okay. Here hydrogen accept oxygen to form water. So addition of oxygen is the oxidation reaction. Okay. Lot of example for this topic. You must be clear in previous class. So this is all about this chapter, student. this chapter is completed. Okay, thank you for attending class. Best of luck.